All right, we got about 2.5 minutes till market opens. All right, gotta just watch, be patient, see what sets up. I'm looking to see if Nasdaq wants to bounce up to that VWAP at 196 and kind of reject like it did here. It went up there, got rejected, and continued down. We'll see. All right, here it goes. Let's see if we could get up there a little bit more. I'm gonna put a sell order there. Let's see if it gets filled. Okay, I got filled there. I got out of my Airbnbs. I was in some Airbnbs. Got out of those. Let's see if we want to sell off or if we're gonna continue to rally here. It's looking pretty strong right now. We're just getting rejected a little bit though. Could be all shorts covering. I might add another one here. Let's see. I added another one there. Let's see if this could flush down. Let's get a big red candle. If it starts to hold this 180 though, I'm getting out. I got one there at 77. Let's see if it sells off a little bit more. I would like to see that 60. It is holding here pretty good, so be careful. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it there. It is holding well, but it's probably gonna flush down to 60 right now. There it goes. It is holding, so this thing might continue to rally. It might be setting up for another rally here. We are down 3. We were down 3%. Remember, at open, we're down just about 3%, which is a big move. We haven't seen these kind of moves since, COVID 2020. If this could hold about 160 and which is that EMA right here, we start kind of forming some support here. We could see a move up again to 200 and then all the way up to about 320. So far looks good. Gotta be patient with it though. Get some confirmation. That candle looks really good. Get ready. It's looking to pop. We got in at 203. Terrible fill, but let's see this. Let's see this push right here. We gotta break above 220. I'm gonna add there at 17. Let's see the break of 220. Let's push up to 230. We gotta have some strength behind that. Let's see that push. I'm gonna take one there at 24. I'm gonna take the other one there at 28. And it just jumped up to 34. Very good movement there. This could run all the way up to 320, which is up here. Don't know how long it's gonna take. If it's gonna make it in this move right here, or if it's gonna come back down again and then make it on the next move. So you gotta just take profits whenever you can. So what we could also be having is we could have one of those days where obviously we opened up about 3% down. We could have a rally all the way up here to that 320, which will probably put us down about 1%, and then it'll start to sell off again slowly throughout the day. It's having a little bit of trouble here, so be careful. Remember, take those profit on the way up. All right. Looks like it might want to pop here. It might pop. But at the same time, it's kind of showing weakness here with these two candles, so that's why I just didn't want to jump in on that one. But look at that pop. Nice. Just jumped like 20. Look at that. 20, 30 points right now. What did I say? It wanted to pop there. We could, again, we could get it to run all the way to 320 on this move right here if it has more strength. And if it does make it in the next move, in this move right here, I'll go short there for a quick scalp. All right, it's getting to that level I was talking about. Let's see if we could get a few more points on here. Oh, it's not going to get it. That's all right. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at my phone. That's what I get. Let's see if this could have one more little pop though. Up. That would have been an easy, 50 points already off that high. It sucks. That's why you pay attention. Let's see if we could get another move up and get rejected there again, and then we'll start to make a new low. This one might actually hold the EMA here, make another move up, and then as it starts to come back down, it's going to break that EMA and come back down to that VWAP. We'll see if it wants to do that though. Let's see if it wants to hold this EMA here. Starting to break below now. Let's contest that VWAP. Again, be careful. This could hold. I would like it to hold just so I could get a better entry for my short, but let's see. Let's see if we could get a bounce here. I would like to see a solid bounce at least up to 300 again. If not, 280. Ooh, Airbnb's flying there. Airbnb's flying. Tesla's trying to fly there too. See, what are the biggest movers for big market caps? We have Adobe's green. That's surprising. Let's see what kind of bounce we have here. If it's anything significant. Again, I could see this making a new low again, touching those lows. We'll see what kind of move it makes here, though. Damn. Airbnb's trash. See how much those Airbnb puts are. Oh, hell no, I ain't paying that. It's expensive as fuck. You could go long here for a little bounce, but I'm more leaning towards... I like to follow whatever the market's doing that day. So if it's a red day, I kind of lean more for shorts. Same thing on the other side. If it's green day, I'll lean more for some long positions. But I play both in this scenario. Just that at this kind of bounce, I don't know. It could bounce, but I don't know how strong it is. Airbnb, Tesla's popping there. Damn, Tesla's getting killed in the last week though. It went from 920 on Wednesday to Thursday this week. 720. Look at that red candle. That's ugly. It's not holding. Like, it doesn't hold anything that it tries to bounce. I'm gonna go short there at 44. This looks pretty weak. Let's see if we could test the VWAP again. Oh, never mind. It's looking like it's popping again. Oh no. Look at this candle. It's not looking good for my shorts. We'll see if we can make a higher high on this. Because it's struggling with this candle. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it there. This is gonna pop again. I got in long there. Let's see if we can get back to 300. Let's get a pop. We gotta break above that 280. It's having trouble. Oh no, look at that red candle from green to red like that. That never looks good, man. Just gave up all my profits there. I just got chopped out. Ah, sucks. Cause look, I was right. It's popping now, but I got chopped out, man. That candle was just giving me weird vibes. There it fucking goes, dude. Fuck. That's painful, man. Those are the worst. Whenever you're right, but you're wrong at the same time. You know, you don't hold it. Gave up about $100 and something in profit already. Almost half my profit, if not more. Tesla's been riding that VWAP since it opened. Here we go on Tesla. I mean on Nasdaq, making a higher move here. Let's see what we have. Man, I can't believe it. I was in long here. Just couldn't hold it. I got faked out. The next real level is going to be around that 620, which is we're far from that, but you can see some type of resistance there. Or it could be also the 360 right here. We have a pretty good rally. Let's see if we could. I'm gonna put it on the big screen. I want to watch something. I want to see if we could get up a little higher. We could get up to that the 360. I'll probably go short again. Doesn't look like it's gonna do that. That looks kind of weak. Had a good run, but didn't have an explosion pop like I was thinking it would. Remember, just be patient. Be patient. Looking kind of weak here. Debating if I want to go short here. Let it have its next pop like I wanted to about 360. You could go long here. You could go long. Let me show you guys. So right here we have that support that started forming here at 360, and then the next one would be the resistance would be way up here at 441. I'll put an order at 375. Let's see if this push can push up to 375 though. It's getting rejected already. It's not good. It hit that level I told you though, 364. I said 360, but got cocky and I was like, no, let me just wait and I'll add a little later. The next move would basically be to short this. Below 304, you go in short. And ride that down to about 260. Let's see. Let's see if it bounces here a little bit off that EMA. I want to see it bounce a little bit back up to the 20s. And I'll probably go short there. And then, can we get a little bit more? Oh, it didn't pop that much. I'm gonna just go short there. 306. Let's see if we can make that move down to about 260. I'm gonna add there at 97. Expecting this to move down to 260 at least. We need this to flush a little bit more though. Oh no. Oh no. It's bouncing a bit there. Careful. These are the ways I always get faked out though. This thing's gonna bounce. It's gonna stay in this range, and then it's gonna sell off. But I'm gonna get out for a loss up here. Oh, I should have added there. I wanted to, but I don't want to add more. I don't want to go too big on size. I'm not going to hold this unless it starts to break that 360 again. See, that's an ugly candle right there. Let's see if this could actually sell off though. The longer it holds here, the more bullish it gets, but this candle needs to break down. I added another one at 27. I'm going a little bit big on this size right here. I wanted to just kind of average up because my entry was pretty low. So let's see if this could break down now. Below 300 would be the first goal, and then ultimately down to 260. It's holding pretty good here though.
Let's see a flush down there. We gotta get this flush down there. Okay. It's not really flushing though. It's kind of holding it. That's what. Just gotta be patient with though. I gotta follow through with it because I know if I get out here, it's gonna start to make that move down. There's a lot of people trying to bid it up here, but I do think this is gonna come down to 260. Oh my god. See, like the thing is though, like the longer this does this, the more bullish it looks. So I might have to get out here. It's a bear trap right here. Sorry, a bull trap. Keeps having these whipsaws here that just kind of. I might have to get out here if it starts to make a high. It needs to get smacked down. It cannot go above 40 or 50. I need to get a big red candle again to push it back down. Big red, come on. No, big red. It's about to pop. It's about to pop. It's about to pop. Come on. I got out there, man. Fuck, that's unfortunate, man. I just did not want to make that move. It was looking so good for us, too. It still might set up and start selling off, but it was holding way too good there, man. It's unfortunate. I was holding that 300 pretty well. This candle's what got us, though. Like, it started kind of having trouble here. It got rejected up here, and it started selling off. So I was like, okay, this is it right here. Got in right here at this low of 300. Just there was no follow through though. Now you look to go long because this is holding pretty good. You must think this is gonna pop right here any second now. Unless it's not and it's gonna sell off and I just got faked out and I bought at the top. Sold down here, bought up here, you know. But I mean, to me, it's looking a lot more bullish now. I told you, the longer this, as soon as I started seeing these candles forming and not selling off right away, I knew this was getting a little too bullish for me. So we might have another run on this. Man, I went from being up 245 to now being down 313. That sucks. And the thing is, like, look, now it's selling off, and I'm just like, fuck me, man. It's like today is just one of those days where I'm right, but I'm wrong. I'm right on the movement. I was right here. I went long here on this red candle, bought the dip kind of, and then this candle started faking me out. Started selling off again, and I was like, no, it's gonna sell off. Got out. Man, look at this. This is the setup I was looking for, bro. I just couldn't catch it. I just wasn't there for it. It sucks. I'm gonna go in there again, 99. Gonna add there at 91. We need to see a flush though to 60. The fact that it's just getting stuck like that, man, is just, we're not doing anything there. It needs to break that 80. That 80 is holding it up right now. Come on. Look, dude, the buyers are just there, dude, the whole time. It's holding that 80 too well. That's unfortunate, man. I do think this will come down. It's just that I was right up here, man. It's just that it wasn't doing it right away. What I fucked up and I got too big on my precision, so I started feeling uncomfortable, and on the first pop I got out. I would have been good still, because if I followed myself, I would have held it unless it broke 60. But again, I was in too big, and I was like, nah, I need to get out. It's gonna pop on me. I'm gonna just take it out there before this thing starts to pop again. Sucks though. I was in pretty heavy, 6 contracts up here.
I would have probably came out with like at least $300 $400 profit, and instead I lost to $300 $300 $400. It's unfortunate, man. It is holding pretty well, which is good. I mean, I do want the market to go up because I am a long-term investor. So, but it just sucks that in the short term, you know. This movement is so slow, you know. I'm just gonna be patient right now and just watch, see what wants to form.